The soul stone, charoite. Meaning, origin, and color. The word chary means magic or charms. Primary source of charoite is Chara River in Russia. The color of charoite ranges from perky lavender and bluish-purple to profound purple. Healing properties. Physically, strengthens the body, assists in overcoming exhaustion, used in treatments of eyes and heart. Emotionally, overcomes fear and negativity, inspires one to move forward in relationships, helps battle compulsions and obsessions. Spiritually, encourages feelings of oneness, creates a spirit of generosity, boosts creativity. Charoite helps the wearer integrate spiritual awareness into everyday life and see the larger patterns at play in common occurrences. Charoite jewelry at Gemexi.